Hey y'all, welcome to Desoto State Park in Fort Payne, Alabama. Desoto is a 3,500-acre park that sits on top of Lookout Mountain in northeast Alabama. It's just about 8 miles from downtown Fort Payne. We're staying in the campground here, and I just released a drive-through video of that. If y'all want to see it, I'll add a link to that here. But today we thought we'd show you around the rest of the park. The park borders Little River and offers day-use recreation, including hiking trails, mountain bike trails, and water sports. The main attraction here is undoubtedly Desoto Falls, the 107-foot waterfall. The falls are located here in the picnic area, and there's pathways that you can walk around it to get different views of the falls. It doesn't always flow like this, and for reference, here is how it looked in April, and this is how it looked in June. There are walking trails here that you can take to get to the bottom of the falls, so in the summertime you can swim down there. Back up top, they have a small little beach area here where you can swim or kayak. Another swimming option here is the Olympic-sized swimming pool. When it's too cold to swim, they do have playgrounds for the kids, and they have a zip line. Tickets for the zip line can be purchased here in the store. They have some basic necessities here, like a peace pipe. They have a nature center.
It is.
Oh my goodness. That was a coyote. That was raccoon. There are some fish. I'm not going to find out what's in there. There's another fish. I'll come see the fish. Is there anything in there? Mm-hmm. Is it a slithery critter? Mm-hmm. Okay. I'm just not even wanting to see him today, so I'm just going to ignore him. I see some pictures of another one over there. Gonna ignore that and come see the big pretty buck over here.
There's one active over here.
Oh, and the owl.
It's corn.
And this is also where you check in for the accommodations. Accommodations here include the campground I mentioned, and then they also have chalets, log and rustic cabins, and a motel. Next to the motel is a restaurant. This is a nice little area. So stepped off. Behind the restaurant is another walking trail.
Fall or winter.
Mm-hmm. So funny, I just had that thought. Not funny, but yeah. It's like leaves of 3 leave me be. And as I look and see the leaves of 3, there's a bunch of them. Yeah. I love the wild ferns through here, though. That's pretty. Not much of a waterfall right now, but I bet it's beautiful when it rains. There are actually several trails here in the park, including this one that is a boardwalk. Tree right in the middle of the trail, instead of cutting it down, they went around it. That's cool. Got a picnic table there. Boy, that was a big tree that fell. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's the other side of it. Big tree. A little gazebo down there with a picnic table. Oh wow. So the boardwalk ends right here, but you can walk up there. The creek bed is dry right now. So same thing, we'll come back after it rains in a few days and see what it looks like then. Even though this time most of the creeks and the falls on the trails were dry, we still enjoyed exploring the park. Thanks for exploring with us today. We appreciate y'all being here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're here, and we'll see y'all on the next one.